the lake at Devil's Hill School. The water was shining, sparkling and cool. Villagers cheering, teachers so proud. Flags in the breeze and music so loud. Boats in a line and sails in the sun. Laughter and splashes, oh what fun. Children in colors, red, green and blue. Swimming and dancing the whole morning through. Glory on water, joy in the air. Songs from the shore, dreams everywhere. Ballooned with color, the sky flying free. What a sports day by the silver sea. Diving like dolphins, swirling like swans. Acrobats flipping with watery wands. Rhythmic and bold like a magical show. Even the stage on the lake would glow. Judges on rafts, prizes in hand. Cheers from the crowd, a musical band. Even the trees leaned in to see the first ever meet on the watery spree. But hush, what's that? A splash far away? A boat is shaking, skies turn gray. A shadow beneath, swift and wide. A monster of water begins to rise. The rowers scream, the boat goes round. A tail like thunder slaps the sound. A crocodile, huge teeth gleam and snap. The cheers turn to gasps, the joy to a trap. But heroes arise, from the lake they leap to guard their friends in waters deep. With ropes and paddles they stand so strong. Together they fight, right against wrong. Glory on water, courage so true. Children of Devil's Hill breaking through. From waves of fear to waves of cheer, the lake remembers year to year.